Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to check where your YouTube account is signed in. If you want to see which devices are currently using your YouTube account or remove devices you no longer use, you can do that from your Google account security settings. So let's get started. First, open YouTube on your phone or computer. Now tap or click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select Google account. Your Google account is linked to your YouTube account, so any devices signed into your Google account can also access YouTube. Now tap on Security. At the top, you will see Recent Security Activity. Here you can check any recent sign-in attempts or security events related to your account. Next, scroll down until you see your devices. Tap on Manage All Devices. You will now see all devices where your account is currently signed in or has been recently used. Review the list carefully. If you see a device that you do not recognize or no longer use, tap on it. Then select Sign Out to remove access from that device. This can help keep your YouTube account secure and prevent unauthorized access. So this is how you can check where your YouTube account is signed in. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.